Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the RC Garage. And today I have, by the title of this video, you should know, I have my T-Maxx right here. Woo! This thing, brand new T-Maxx, and we're just gonna get to unboxing it in today's video. So let's get to it. Alright guys, so I have the T-Maxx right here in front of me, and I have my knife, and we're just gonna get to unboxing this. So we're gonna cut the plastic off up here, and guys, this is my first ever new nitro. I've never brought a nitro car brand new before. This will be my first ever brand new nitro car. I've always just bought used ones. Kind of hard doing with one hand. Put that off to the side. Throw that away later. Okay. Boom, there it is, unwrapped from the plastic. So we're just gonna go around the box real quick like we always do. TMAXX 3.3, not the 2.5, 3.3, because my old T-Maxx that's up there, if you can see it, that one right there, that is a 2.5. It was actually a 0.15. That's how old it is. It came with a 0.15, and then I swapped it to a 2.5. But yeah, now we have a 3.3. I've never had any car with a 3.3 from TMAXX. They're supposed to be crazy powerful. So, but yeah, I'm gonna find out soon enough. But here you go. We have the TQI. We have the TQI installed, the remote, and then 3.3 racing engine, easy start. It's also, some people hate it. I like it. It's better than doing pull starts. But the only thing you have to have the battery charged up for the wand. And then the aluminum tuned pipe and all the accessories that you need to get this thing running besides fuel and batteries. But I mean, this is why I love TMAXX cars. They basically come with everything. Even their electric models will come with a battery and a charger, and that's literally ready to run. All these people that say, oh, it's ready to run, but then they don't come with batteries or anything. TMAXX actually make sure everything is in here besides the stuff they can't actually ship, like the fuel with it. But yeah, what you'll need, see, just the fuel and some batteries. That's it. That's all you need. They give you a fuel bottle, they give you the battery, the easy start, a charger. I already have a charger, but I mean, they literally give you everything you need besides the fuel. And I'm pretty sure you have double A's laying around your house. Other side, same thing. The top, let's go over the top. What does this side say? Let me see. So I got the blue model. I was either gonna get this one or this one, and I got that one just because blue is my favorite color, of course. But let's go over the top now. Oh, and a water bottle got stuck. Get over there. Alright, so we're gonna go over here, the top. Tune pipe. New steering system, I guess. I don't know, I've never. Just gives you a bunch of little things right here. The power band of the engine. Just a bunch of little, it's telling you about all the little features on this truck. But man, you guys already know. If you guys want to see that stuff, look it up, because I just want to get into this box already. So let's find out what I need to do to cut this open. So, oh, there's tape right here. Ow. Okay, I can't use a knife. Switch hands. Ah, there's something on my thumb and it's hurting. Is there something over here? No. Oh, that's it. That's all it was. Oh, dang. Whoa. All right. First thing that falls out. 7.2 liter. 2 liter. Oh my god, 7.2 liter. 7.2 volt nickel metal hydride, 1800 milliamp. Just the old, is that the Tamiya style connector? Is that what it's called? I think so. But yeah. Get this styrofoam out. Nothing is in the styrofoam, and ooh, look at it, it's right there peeking out. Throw that styrofoam off to the side. I'm gonna flip the box over. Ugh. Whoa, I hit my camera. Ooh, look at that. Let's turn it sideways. Oh my god, I need a bigger bench. Jesus Christ. And let's pull it out. I'm gonna try to hold the box and film, and ooh, that's out. Oh, this thing looks nice. Is there anything else down there? I don't think so. Nope. But I'm saving the box because I save all my boxes. Especially that box. That's a nice box. Okay. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. I'm so excited. Oh my god, I'm so excited. We're gonna put this off to the side first. And look, fuel bottle here. I already have a TMAXX fuel bottle, but now I have another one. Sweet. Can never go wrong with fuel bottles. And then the TQI remote in here. Never had one of these. So where's my knife? It's right here. Really? Okay. And it's in another box. This is great. Alright, so here is the TQI remote, and it already has the wireless module on the back. Ooh, and then I think all my TMAXX cars, I'm gonna just put, because you can pair like a bunch of them to like it, right? I think so. So I'm on my Slash and my Rustler. I think I'm just gonna buy the receivers and just put them in and use this for all my TMAXX cars, so I know which one my TMAXX cars are, and then use my Fly Sky for like all my other random cars, so that I just, because you can pair a bunch of them, and it's easy to do it with the TMAXX link. I just have to get the app on my phone. But yeah, so here's the remote. Beautiful remote. And look at the bag o' parts. Wow. Let's open this up real quick. See if I could slice it fast enough. Oh shoot. Yes, I did. Okay. Mom, here's the easy start one. That's what the battery. This is what the battery goes into. That goes together. Just the wrenches and stuff that you get with it. Extra glow plug always comes in handy. I'm definitely gonna need this after I break it in. I mean, I have glow plugs already, but charger, car charger. Ooh, they even give you extra element for your air filter. And then preload spacers for your shocks and stuff. I'm surprised they haven't put like threaded body shocks on here. Oh, what's this? And body clips. Extra body clips. Because it already has body clips. Oh, wait, no. Oh, it has 2 body clips, and it comes with 4 in this little thing. So I'll keep those out. And then all the extra stickers. But yeah, alright, so let's get to the main part. Sweet. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, I have to take this out. Lame. There we go. And we're off. Oh. Oh my god. Guys, I know I have a T-Maxx already, but I had to get another one because that one up there it's old, it's brittle, it's from before I was born. It's from the 90s. I'm pretty sure it's from the 90s. So, I mean, I had to get a new one. I mean, that's crazy that one is from the 90s. This one is from 2021, and they're essentially the same thing. It's crazy how these things never went away, and they're still here, and they're still probably one of the top selling nitro trucks around. So yeah, these things are super popular, and it's crazy how they're just still around. Like, the Traxxas still makes them after 20 plus years. I don't remember. I'm pretty sure these came out mid 90s, the TMAXXs. So they've been around 20 plus years, I'm pretty sure. So let's take a look around. Ooh, that 3.3 engine though. Look at that. That thing is massive. It's crazy. Oh, these are sharp. That thing is huge. Yeah. Ooh, these chrome wheels. These tires are big. They're pretty big. They're nice and soft. Shocks. Ooh, this thing's heavy. Ooh, I miss the heaviness of this car. If you guys have never picked up a T-Maxx, these are probably like one of the heaviest RCs, like this scale. Obviously the fifth scales and those huge ones are way heavier, but this scale, these things are heavy, but they're so freaking fun. I had to get another basher. I couldn't keep bashing my old T-Maxx. It was just gonna keep breaking, and plastics were stripping and stuff. So yeah, the ride height on your T-Maxx is set up for maximum off-road height and ground clearance to improve tuning performance. Yeah, whatever. Okay. And then they just give you a freaking zip tie for this. Why can't they give us one of those other things? It has like the actual handle at the back. This is the break-in procedure. I kind of do this. This is I usually, like, my first 2 tanks are idle, and then I basically do all this. That's basically the difference. Except I just do 1 tank at full throttle. I don't do 2 like they did. So I basically replace one of them with an idle and then add another idle tank. But yeah, look at this. Crazy. I'm pretty sure I need to get a hump pack. Hump packs are the way to go with these. Oof. Do I need to oil this? Or is it? Oh, it's oiled. Yeah, it's oiled. Ooh, look at all these. Brand new. Dude, I'm so excited. I've been waiting to get one of these forever. I've wanted a new T-Maxx. It was my first ever RC, and they're still making them, and I don't know how much longer they're gonna be making nitros, so I had to get one. I'm gonna replace these front bumpers though with the RPM ones, because these are break easily, so I'm gonna just replace those right off the bat. And look at that. This thing looks so freaking beautiful. Oh my god. And the easy start is just gonna be so easy to just plug it in. These things suck though. The wires that go to the glow plug, they suck. They do not heat the glow plug enough, so you end up needing to get the glow igniter in here anyways, which I don't care, because I can just unplug this, take this thing out, and carry the glow igniter. But as long as I don't have to freaking keep pulling on it right here. Oh, and it even comes with to pinch the fuel line. Oh man, I love Traxxas. Traxxas is, they still be having these 2055s on here, bruh. Those came with that one. I can't believe they still have. Why don't they put just the 2075s? Make it easy. My slash kit came with the 2075. All right, well, I'll have those. Those aren't gonna last long. I have to replace those anyways, but boom. Let's get this body on. Whew. This thing is sick. Look at that. This thing is so, I don't even want to, I want to just buy a new body so I don't mess this one up. I love the way it looks. I could just put my old body on it now. Oh, these are lengthened. I forgot these are lengthened. Yeah. Maybe I'll try it. I don't know. Just so I don't mess this pretty one up. Ooh, so pretty, so pretty. Well, that's gonna be it for this video, guys. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe. I'm gonna be definitely, this is gonna be probably my main basher right here, because I just love monster trucks. I love the TMAXX, and I love nitro. So probably my main basher right here. You're gonna see this in a lot of videos. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed, make sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching.